Hey everyone, as promised, we're going to do some scout work today since I unfortunately am not going to be able to join tomorrow, Sunday at 1 p.m. I've got my favorite helper with me here, my son Reese, who will be present and doing a good job of representing me. Again, I apologize. We have the bags from the city, they're ready to go. Today we're going to go farther into the forest to some areas that I don't expect you guys will get to tomorrow, and we're going to post when we're done. Somebody lost a sandal. I wasn't kidding when I said I'm going to some of the areas that we're probably not going to get to tomorrow. Birthday balloons, beer cans. This stuff looks like it's been here for years. It didn't take very long to get bag number one. It's not totally full, but it's getting heavy. We found some interesting stuff in here. How old is that, I wonder? Really going for that detail clean today. We've got Pacifica French lilac perfume. And I opened it up and it still smells okay. If you're in nature's tie-dye, man. An old bed sheet. I'm pretty sure this has been here for at least 4 or 5 years since I've been hiking in here. Some more gems from the forest. This is definitely old. They don't make them like that anymore. And stubby bottles. Either that's a red stripe or that's old. And yes, I do know my beer bottles. Garbage cleanup tip. If you can stack garbage inside other garbage, such as these sharp pieces of glass, which would cut my bag, stuffing them inside this bed sheet that I found.